Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's absolutely crucial for both weight loss and overall health: the importance of hydration. So grab your water bottles and let's get hydrated together. You may have heard that we should drink 8 glasses of water a day, but let's put that idea aside for now. Hydration is essential, no doubt about it, but the amount of water you need can vary based on factors like your weight, activity level, and even the climate you live in. Imagine this. Your body is like a well-tuned machine, and water is the fuel that keeps it running smoothly. Every single cell, tissue, and organ in your body needs water to function optimally. When we don't drink enough water, our bodies can't perform at their best, and that can lead to a host of health issues. Now, let's break it down. The National Institute of Medicine recommends drinking about 30 milliliters of water per kilogram of body weight per day. So if you weigh 60 kilograms, you should aim for around 1,800 milliliters of water daily. But don't worry, it's not about counting every single milliliter. The key is to listen to your body and stay mindful of your hydration needs. If you're more active or live in a hot climate, you might need more water to stay properly hydrated. Dehydration is a sneaky foe. It can creep up on us without us even realizing it. But let me tell you, dehydration is no joke. It can lead to thickened blood, affecting the blood supply to vital organs and ultimately increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Yikes! Now let's talk about the skin, our body's largest organ. Did you know that it's made up of 10 to 30 water? When we don't drink enough water, our skin can become dry, rough, and more susceptible to external irritants. We definitely don't want that. So, the secret to glowing skin: it's simple: drink enough water. Hydrating from the inside out will keep your skin looking fresh, vibrant, and less prone to premature aging. Who doesn't want that healthy, radiant glow? But wait, there's more. Drinking enough water can also help curb overeating. Sometimes our bodies send signals of hunger when what we really need is water. So before you reach for that snack, try sipping on some water first. It might just do the trick. Now let's address a common concern. If you're not a fan of plain water, you might wonder if other beverages like coffee or sugary drinks can be a substitute. Here's the deal. While coffee or tea can contribute to your daily water intake, they also contain caffeine, which can have a diuretic effect and lead to increased water loss. So, for the best hydration, stick to good old H2. Oh, and speaking of sugary drinks, let's steer clear of those too. They might taste tempting, but they can pack a serious punch when it comes to calories and sugar. Just one small bottle of sugary soda can be equivalent to a hefty portion of rice. No thanks. So what should we do instead? Opt for healthier alternatives like fruit-infused water or sugar-free electrolyte drinks. These will keep you hydrated without the added sugars and calories. And here's a handy tip for you. If you're looking to control your salt intake, try using a small spoon or measuring tool to add salt when cooking. This simple trick can help you keep track of how much salt you're using and make healthier choices in the kitchen. Remember, hydration is not just about drinking water. It's about making mindful choices throughout the day. Keep a water bottle with you, sip on water regularly, and pay attention to your body's signals. And always choose water over sugary or calorie-laden beverages. All right. My lovely friends, let's raise a glass of water to good health and staying hydrated. Cheers to feeling your best and achieving your wellness goals. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Stay hydrated, take care of yourselves, and remember, you're on an incredible journey towards a healthier and happier you. Until next time, keep hydrating, keep smiling, and keep shining bright. Transform yourself and become the better version of yourself. Subscribe to our channel and see you in our next lesson.